You press the accelerator, the engine revs, but your car barely moves. Frustrating, right? Or maybe you've smelled something burning after driving uphill. If that sounds familiar, today's video is for you. We're breaking down the top symptoms of a worn clutch disc so you can catch problems early, avoid costly repairs, and keep your manual transmission running smoothly. First things first, the clutch disc is a crucial component of a vehicle's manual transmission system. It sits between the engine's flywheel and the pressure plate, transferring power from the engine to the transmission while enabling smooth gear changes. But like any part, it doesn't last forever. When it starts to wear out, your car will give you warning signs. So, let's break down the most common symptoms of a worn clutch disc. Sign number 1, slipping clutch. One of the first and most obvious signs is a slipping clutch. Here's what happens. You press the accelerator, the engine RPMs shoot up, but the car doesn't gain speed like it should. This is especially noticeable when you're driving uphill or accelerating in higher gears. Basically, the clutch is struggling to grip the flywheel properly, and that's why your car feels like it's losing power. Sign number 2, difficulty shifting gears. A healthy clutch fully disengages the engine from the transmission when you press the pedal. But when the clutch disc wears down, it may not fully disengage. The result? You'll find it harder to shift, especially in a first gear or reverse. That's a classic sign the clutch is on its way out. Sign number 3, burning smell. If you ever notice a strong burning smell, kind of like burnt rubber or overheated wires, pay attention. That's often the smell of a slipping clutch generating too much heat. This happens when the friction material on the clutch disc is worn down and struggling to do its job. If you keep smelling it, you should have a clutch checked as soon as possible. Sign number 4, changes in clutch pedal feel. Another big giveaway is how the clutch pedal feels under your foot. A worn clutch can make the pedal feel spongy, loose, or sometimes it might even stick to the floor. On the flip side, you might also experience a pedal that feels unusually stiff or one that vibrates when pressed. All of these changes mean the clutch system isn't working properly anymore. Sign number 5, unusual noises. Strange sounds are another warning. Squealing, chirping, or grinding when you press the clutch usually means trouble, whether it's the disc, pressure plate, or release bearing. Don't ignore it. So, those are the most common symptoms of a worn clutch disc. Slipping, hard shifting, burning smell, changes in pedal feel, strange noises, and weak acceleration. If you notice any of these signs in your car, don't wait. Get inspected by a mechanic. Driving with a failing clutch not only makes your car harder to control, but can also cause more damage to expensive parts like the flywheel, and that repair bill will be much higher. Take care of your clutch, and it will take care of you on the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car maintenance tips, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.